As soon as we lift this up, it shuts it off.
Do you know what pressure the water stream is at?
60 pounds. See the intensifier over here.
And the Z carriage, again, expandable, upgradable, and got capacity for more than you could imagine. Holes for another mini hopper, plus we have different style mini hoppers. There's our carbon fiber rod coming up the inside, double connected. Here's our high pressure tubing with shielding with a dog leg. We have a valve right on the front of the machine. You won't find this in other people's machines because it takes time and costs money, but from our perspective, it's a valuable tool that everybody grows to enjoy. From here, we can run 1/4 inch or 3/8 down. We have multiple, if you look here, there are multiple holes. We can adjust the position and the style of cutting head that you put on here. If you have a look here, we only have a 16 gauge cover, very thin. But if you have a look on this side, we've gone to 1/4 inch. Why? Because when this person ordered the machine, they said, hey, you know what, I'd like to put a drill on. We literally can pop the cover off, put a cover on, And in this case, pop this cover off. They want the drill on this side. There we go. 4 bearings inside here, all rated at 1,000 kilograms. We could take another 1/4 inch plate and put it on this side, and we do, and mount anything from dot peen marking to tapping to thread milling. We have a phenomenal camera. It works incredibly well. Certainly ask for a demonstration, and it comes up on the screen, but very easy to install. We can of course run spreader bars, so we already have holes in here to mount a spreader bar, and from that spreader bar be able to mount multiple heads off on the same Z carriage. As far as strength goes for the Z carriage, a good test to do if you're looking around at other machines, and you should be, go and grab your cutting head, put your full body weight into that and see how much it moves. And we want you to try it on our machine. This thing is rock solid. You will not find that. Other machines you might find you can take your finger and literally pull the cutting head and it will just move. So we tried and we continue to pursue to build a machine that is absolutely rock solid, that is 10 times beefier than you need to be, that components are easy to replace. Even if these got totally trashed, it just sits in an extrusion and you can pop it out and slide another one in. We've tried to think about service, we've tried to think about maintenance, we've tried to think about longevity, we've tried to think about backwards compatibility. We try to make sure we never leave an existing customer behind, and we try to make sure every single customer can go as far forward into the future as we go as a company. We haven't even looked at 5-axis on this, which we can go and have a quick look at, but this whole Z carriage, if you wanted a 5-axis head, is literally a plug-on, bolt-on design. So you can start with a solid foundation, you can start with a standard machine, you can start with one head, you can grow it to multiple Z carriages, a spreader bar, multiple cutting heads, multiple 5-axis, drilling, tapping, multiple drills and tapping, marking, printing. The line is as far as you want it to go. I think I'd like to summarize that what we really want people to do when they're looking at a water jet system, when they're looking at our software, when they're looking at all the upgradability, and the software we'll cover physically on the floor, is we hope you see this as a CNC platform that is designed to handle the harsh characteristics associated with water jet cutting, but that it allows you to think as freely as you possibly could as to the possibilities. Do you want to put a 2-part epoxy and actually dispense a liquid and make your own gaskets on top of whatever you are cutting? We can do that. You want to expand? This is modular. You just put more membrane panels in. We can put more buttons on the software. It's already got a built-in camera. As much and as far as you want to go, we want to listen, we want to talk to you. We are quite happy to customize in any direction as much as you want, and in fact that's what we love.